Ever found yourself staring at your Beam wallet, a treasure trove of crypto just sitting there, and thought, okay, this is great, but how do I actually get this money into my bank account? You're not alone. Many of us jump into the exciting world of decentralized finance, accumulate some assets, and then the practical question hits, how do I cash out? Today, we're diving deep into the process of converting your Beam assets into cold, hard fiat currency. Whether you're looking to pay bills, make a big purchase, or simply want to access your funds in the real world, understanding the off-ramp is crucial. It's a common hurdle, but once you know the steps, it's remarkably straightforward. We're going to walk through the most common and reliable methods, highlighting what you need to know to make your crypto-to-fiat journey smooth and secure. So, let's demystify the process and get those Beam funds working for you. When it comes to cashing out your Beam, the primary method involves using a cryptocurrency exchange. Think of these exchanges as the bridges between the crypto world and traditional banking. There are two main types of exchanges you'll likely interact with: centralized exchanges, CEXs, and decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Centralized exchanges like Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase are often the easiest entry point for most users. Here's a general rundown of how it works. First, you'll need an account on a reputable CEX that supports Beam. This typically involves a Know Your Customer, or KYC, process where you verify your identity with documents like your ID and proof of address. While this might seem like a chore, it's a crucial step for security and regulatory compliance, ensuring a safer environment for everyone. Once your account is verified, you'll need to transfer your Beam from your Beam wallet to your exchange account. This is done by generating a Beam deposit address within the exchange and then initiating a send transaction from your Beam wallet to that address. Double-check the address before sending. Crypto transactions are irreversible. After your Beam arrives at the exchange, you'll then need to sell it for a stablecoin like USDT, USDC, or BUSD, or directly for your local fiat currency if the exchange supports that specific pair. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to the value of a fiat currency, usually the US dollar, making them much less volatile. Selling for a stablecoin gives you flexibility, as you can then trade that stablecoin for your desired fiat currency. Once your Beam is converted to fiat on the exchange, you can initiate a withdrawal to your linked bank account. Most exchanges support bank transfers, and some also offer other withdrawal methods like PayPal or wire transfers, though these can vary by region and exchange. The withdrawal times can range from a few hours to a few business days, depending on the exchange and your bank. Now, what about decentralized exchanges? DEXs like Beam's own dApp Store offer a more private way to trade, but direct fiat off-ramps are less common. Often, you'd swap your Beam for another popular cryptocurrency on a DEX, and then transfer that crypto to a CEX that does offer fiat withdrawals. So, while DEXs are fantastic for trading within the crypto ecosystem, CEXs are usually the final stop for cashing out to fiat. Another alternative, especially for smaller amounts or for those who value privacy, is peer-to-peer, P2P, trading. Platforms like Local CoinSwap or Paxful allow you to directly buy and sell crypto with other individuals using various payment methods, including bank transfers, mobile money, or even gift cards. While P2P offers flexibility, always exercise caution and use platforms with escrow services to protect both parties in the transaction. Finally, remember that transaction fees and exchange rates will play a role in how much fiat you ultimately receive. Always check the fees before initiating any trades or withdrawals. It's also wise to research different exchanges to compare their rates and supported withdrawal methods to find the best fit for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.